What's going on, guys? Rainbow Runners here, and we're at Elliot Road here in Gilbert, and an inbound is coming up right now. I was looking down, and I think it might be probably at Lindsay Road. I don't know, but yeah, an outbound came by earlier this evening, before the sun was down, and yeah, I've been really meaning to get out more rail fannings. I've kind of slacked off a bit, but I'm trying to make up for it here. Yeah, so the gates on Elliot will activate momentarily. Wait, I can start hearing the train horn. I want to say it's at Lindsay. Okay, I heard a bit of a tire screech. I don't know if it was that truck that was turning off onto that road. But yeah, yeah, if you look up, like, there's lots of clouds and stuff. It's been interesting how humid it's been, and just some of the monsoon stuff that Arizona is known to get during the later parts of the summer. Yeah, there's a Kia that just stopped them a bit further back from the gates. Here it comes. As soon as the gates finish rising, I'll, of course, give you the glimpse up at up towards Gilbert Road. All right. Yep. So another train for you. Whoa. Actually, hang on. I saw something interesting. Down to the southeast. Yeah, right there, the gates on Gilbert Road are rising. Obviously, as you can see, the signal is holding red, but actually, looking down to the southeast, I see some more headlights. I don't know if that means another train's on its way or what, but I don't know. I may or may not stick around for this, but I guess we'll find out. Yeah. But I definitely want to make another video here. I'm glad I was able to get another train for you guys. Yeah, my truck is parked right here. Something that I guess I could do sometime is film from the cab of my truck. Film from the cab of my truck facing the tracks like that, because I know I filmed from the cab of the truck while I was in the Western Skies Plaza on Warner, and I guess the same applies to by Gilbert Road. All right, well, I think that'll wrap up this episode of Railfanning, and if there's another train coming, I guess I will film that too. And actually, I think the signal down at Warner Road might actually be red, so if there's another train, I guess I'll be back in a minute or two for another video. Heading out.